This is how to fix your camera on Zoom if it's not working. I'm gonna give you 3 methods, and the first one is very simple. Look for a camera button on your keyboard. All keyboards do not have this. And it's not the same for every keyboard. Sometimes it's in a different position. What this does is it toggles the camera from being hidden and not hidden. So if you have this on your keyboard, just try clicking on it to see if your camera works. If not, try clicking on it again. Now if you don't have that button on your keyboard, or if you press it and it still doesn't work, maybe you selected the wrong camera for Zoom. Now to give you an example, I'll try opening my camera, and if I do, it gives me this notification that I cannot start video. To fix that, go back to your camera, click on the small arrow right here, and select the camera that is working or you are using. If you're not sure which one works, just go through each one of them. As you can see, I selected my working camera, and now it's sharing my video. Now, if you selected the right camera and it's still not working, maybe it's a permissions problem. To fix that, go to your Windows search bar and search for settings. Once you see it, just click on it. Now, once you're here in settings, what you need to look for is privacy and security. Once you click on privacy and security, scroll down until you find camera. Make sure all these options are on because this is what allows camera to work on your apps. Now, if there's a zoom option here that you can toggle on and off, make sure to keep it on. Now, mostly if you just leave this let desktop apps access your camera option on, you should be able to access your camera on all the apps in your computer. Yeah, so that's how to fix your camera if it's not working on Zoom.